Why the brain needs different kinds of rest. Sleep, pauses, and mental balance. Rest is often misunderstood. Many people think rest only means sleep at night. But the brain restores itself in many different ways throughout the day and night. Some forms of rest are deep, others are brief. Each one serves a different purpose. Tonight, we'll explore why the brain needs different kinds of rest and how allowing these natural pauses supports clarity, balance, and calm. This is not about productivity. It is about understanding the brain's rhythm. The brain is always active. Even when the body feels still, the brain is processing information, managing emotions, and responding to the environment. Because of this constant activity, rest is essential. But rest does not always look the same. Sometimes it looks like sleep. Sometimes it looks like quiet awareness. Sometimes it looks like stepping away from stimulation. Each form of rest helps the brain in a unique way. At night, sleep allows the brain to enter its deepest recovery cycles. External awareness fades, and the brain turns inward. During this time, the brain organizes memories, processes emotional experiences, and restores balance across neural systems. This happens naturally, without conscious effort. Sleep is not passive. It is a highly active restoration. Dreaming is part of this process. During dreaming, the brain becomes more emotional and visual. Logical control softens, while memory and feeling take the lead. This allows experiences to be integrated symbolically and non-linearly. You do not need to remember your dreams for this to be effective. The brain does its work quietly, whether you are aware of it or not. But the brain does not only need rest at night. During the day, mental fatigue gradually builds. Focus decreases. Attention becomes scattered. Decisions feel heavier. This is not a failure of discipline. It is biology. Certain chemicals associated with wakefulness accumulate as the day goes on, creating a natural pressure to pause. The brain is signaling a need to reset. Many people respond to this signal by increasing stimulation. More caffeine, more screen time, more effort. While these strategies may delay fatigue, they do not restore balance. True restoration comes from reducing input, not increasing it. Short pauses during the day give the brain space to recalibrate. This may include a brief nap, quiet rest with closed eyes, or simply stepping away from mental demands. Even a few minutes of reduced stimulation can lower stress activity in the brain and restore attention networks. The goal is not to sleep deeply. The goal is to pause. Light rest allows the brain to release mental noise. It clears space, it restores perspective, it supports emotional balance. This is why people often feel clearer after stepping away for a moment, not because they tried harder, but because they stopped trying. Sleep at night and pauses during the day work together. Nighttime sleep handles deep integration. Daytime rest prevents overload. Different depths, same system. The brain needs both. In many cultures throughout history, rest was woven naturally into daily life. Quiet afternoons, moments of stillness, rhythms of activity and release. Only recently did constant alertness become expected. Neuroscience now confirms that the brain performs best when it is allowed to rest regularly. You do not need to optimize rest. You do not need a perfect routine. Simply noticing when your mind feels overloaded and allowing small pauses is enough. The brain responds quickly to reduced stimulation. It remembers how to balance itself. As you listen now, notice your breathing. Slow, natural, unforced. Even listening to calm information can invite rest. There is nothing you need to do right now. Just allow your mind to soften. Rest is not a reward. It is a requirement. Whether through sleep, dreaming, or gentle pauses during the day, the brain restores itself continuously, quietly, naturally, without effort. For now, Allow yourself to rest. Let the day loosen its grip. Trust that your brain knows when to work and when to recover. And allow this moment to be one of gentle pause. Listen to one of my sleep stories for a restful night.